Hello grade 1, welcome to our new science session. Today we will solve unit 9 review. So please, before starting, open your books page 365. And if you are ready now, let's get started. Question number 1. You have 3 words in a box and you need to use each one of them to fill only one sentence. The words are soul, property, solid. Let's start reading the first sentence. One part of what something is like is a. Do you remember this term? How did we describe matter? How to say how does it look? This is describing one of its properties. So the first one will be property. Here we wrote property. Let's move to the next sentence, number 2. Mixing salt and water causes salt to. When you mix salt in water, can you see the salt? Of course not. It will disappear or it will dissolve. So here, number 2, we will write dissolve. The third one. A kind of matter that keeps its own shape is a. The only kind of matter with its own shape is a solid. So in number 3, it will be solid. Okay, now let's move to the next question. You need to choose or underline just one sentence here. You have number 4. How is all matter the same? All matter is solid. All matter takes up space. All matter is made from natural materials. Do you know what is the meaning of natural? Natural means that it comes from nature. Nobody made it. We find it like this. It's made by God. Are all kinds of matter around us made naturally? Of course not, because some of them are made by people. So it's not letter C. What about letter A? All matter is solid. Everything around us is solid? Of course not, because we said we have also liquids and gases. So the best answer is all matter takes up space. Do you remember the condition which we said? To say that this object is matter, it must take up space. Now, number 5. You put soft toys in one pile. You put hard toys in another pile. How did you sort? How did you divide the toys like this? Putting the soft together and the hard together. Do you sort them by color, by size, or by texture? To be hard and soft, it's one property which is texture. So the answer here is letter B, by texture. Okay, let's move to the next page, page number 366. Question number 6. Which thermometer measures the hottest temperature? Do you remember which one will be the hottest? The one with the low liquid, the smallest number, or the one with the highest one? Of course it will be the one with the highest. It will be the hottest. So the one which measures the hottest will be letter C. Question number 7. Which kind of matter fills all the space of its container? Is it gas, liquid, or solid? Let's remember the states of matter together. The first one is solid, and as we said, solids keep their own shape. Its shape doesn't change from putting here or there. What about a liquid? We said that a liquid flows like water, juice, and most of the drinks or all drinks. And also a liquid takes the shape of its container. What about the third state, which is a gas? We said that the gas spreads out to fill all the space in its container. So the answer here will be letter A, gas. The next question, number 8. You see several objects at a party. Which object is a liquid? Apple juice, a birthday cake, or the air in a balloon? Which one here is a liquid? Of course it will be the juice. So it will be letter A. The next page, page 367. Which does sugar dissolve more easily in? Most liquids will dissolve most solids like salt and sugar. But which kind of liquid? The cold, the cool, or the warm one? The sugar will dissolve more easily in cold water, cool water, warm water. As we said, it will dissolve easily in warm or hot water, like when your mom is making any hot drink, tea, coffee, or any hot drink. The next one, number 10. How do you know that the material being poured in a liquid is a liquid and not a solid? The material which is poured here, how do you know that it is a liquid, not solid? It has mass, but all matter have mass. Solids, liquids, and gases. It has its own shape. Only solids have their own shape, and I think this one doesn't have its own shape. It flows and takes the shape of its container. Yeah, it flows and takes the shape of its container, so it's a liquid. The answer will be letter C. 11. How is the person changing the blanket? Here the blanket, how does it change? The person is melting the blanket. The person is folding the blanket. The person is cutting the blanket. Is it melted? Of course not. Is it cut? No, but it is folded. So the person is folding the blanket. The next question, 12. Which is a mixture? Grapes, when you put grapes all from one kind together. Pencils, also all of them the same kind. Or salad, which have 2 or more kinds of matter, will make a mixture. Of course it will be salad, because a mixture is a mix of 2 or more kinds of matter. Okay, grade 1, that's all for today. Don't forget to solve these questions in your book. Thank you and goodbye.